Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get diamond mutated brain rots in Escape Tsunami. So here I catch one legendary brain rots with diamond mutation, and I'm going to show you how it will look like. So the diamond mutation can be carved in every tire actually. So if you spot a brain rots with a blue color like a diamond, or you can also get it with or inside the blocks, you can just take it as soon as possible before the tsunami catch you. So this is how the diamonds one look like. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks, and I'll see you on the next tutorial.